Now that we have studied the classification of Madaaris in Pakistan, now let's just shed some light on the historical status of Madaaris over the last 65 years in Pakistan. Madaaris in Pakistan are considered as non-governmental organizations that provide free education, boarding, and lodging to their students and help to educate the poverty-stricken children in society. An important thing to note for all of us is that the Madaaris, most of the Madaaris in Pakistan do not charge any fee whatsoever. In addition to it, in most cases, they provide free food and free lodging and boarding facilities as well. And because of that, it gets to target to the rather low socio-economic class of Pakistan. Let's look at some of the statistics here. Madaaris or Madrassa education in the subcontinent region goes even before the conception of Pakistan. Pakistan got independence in 1947. At that point of time, there were already 245 Madaaris functional, right? And that number from 245 Madaaris has grown to 19,104 in 2010. As we are recording here now, it is 2016. The number has grown even further. But according to the Government of Pakistan report in 2010, the official numbers which we have from 2010 is 19,104. What does that mean? It means that the number of Madaaris has grown since independence, and when there were in the beginning, when they were recorded to be 245, and now there are 19,104, this increase is approximately 7,700%. 7,700%. The madrasa sector is still growing, though not significantly compared to the growth in the private schools. Now, a lot of these low-income private schools are feeding in. They're becoming more and more independent, and because of that, a lot of access issues have now been resolved. So a lot of progress which was made in getting more madrasas made has now appeased just a little bit, has alleviated just a little bit because of this new trend of low-income private schools. Although there exists a growing trend in madrasa education, it must be noted that the numbers of Pakistani Madaaris and their enrollment rates have been the subject of much controversy and debate in recent years. Both definitional issues, what is a student, what constitutes a madrasa, and a lack of reliable data make it difficult to establish how many schools and graduates actually exist. Remember, I just gave you the number 19,104 in 2010. But you need to understand, or everyone else also needs to understand, that a lot of those numbers are not necessarily fact-based, because there are hundreds and thousands of unregistered madrasas which actually functions as the ghost madrasas, and we have no knowledge about them. So the numbers is even bigger, and we are not going to get any fixation done until and unless we bring every religious institution or seminary out there into the mainstream, and for that we need to have the proper number and the data available at our disposal.